Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace windshield wipers. First, gently lift the wiper arm away from your windshield until it locks into an upright position. Next, look for a small tab or button where the wiper blade connects to the arm. Press this tab firmly to unlock the old blade from its attachment point. This prepares the blade for easy removal. Once the tab is pressed, carefully slide the old wiper blade straight off the hook on the wiper arm. It should come off with minimal effort. Remember to keep a firm grip on the wiper arm itself, as it can snap back against the windshield if released, potentially causing damage. Pay attention to the blade's orientation. Now take your new wiper blade and slide its connector onto the hook of the wiper arm. Push it firmly until you hear a distinct click, indicating it's securely locked into position. Give it a gentle tug to ensure it's properly seated and won't come loose during operation. This step is crucial for safety. With the new blade installed, carefully lower the wiper arm back down onto the windshield. Make sure it rests flat and securely. Repeat this entire process for the other wiper blade on your vehicle. Finally, turn on your vehicle and test the new wipers using your windshield washer fluid to ensure they operate smoothly and clear your view effectively.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.